What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now I'm here at Maserati Alfa Romeo Daytona Beach, and you're probably wondering after reading the title, why I'm making a video like this. Well, I saw actually just recently on an Alfa Romeo Facebook forum group that someone needed to change the battery on their key fob and they didn't know how. And I'm not sure why I haven't made a video like this, but I was going to wait until the 2021 models hit the lot before I made a video like this. But why wait? There's a need for this. New Alfa Romeo customers are going to need to know your key fob here needs a new battery every now and then. Normally you see them lasting around 2 years, so if you have your car around that time, well, it's going to start to get weak on the signal and you're going to need to know how to change it. So we're just going to do this real quick. I'll show you exactly how to take the back covering off, take the key and place it in position and open it up. It's just a little 3-volt battery that you can get anywhere. It's a Panasonic battery that's in this, but I'm sure any 3-volt battery works. So let's just get to it. Let's start those how-to videos again to help out future Alfa Romeo and current Alfa Romeo owners. All right, so first things first, on the Alfa Romeo key fob, both sides have grips where you're gonna put your thumb and index finger to help slide off the back cover. So you'll grab and pull both sides down, all right, and that will take off your back cover, which will expose your physical key, which will be needed if this key fob battery dies and you would stick in the keyhole in your door handles to get inside of the vehicle. You still have access to your car even though your key fob battery is dead or dying. Now with that said, you see the physical key, you see a slot here where that physical key goes. We're not done, so hold on to this physical key because we still have to put it in here to get to the battery underneath, which is a 3-volt battery, and there's a Panasonic battery underneath here. You could probably get Energizer or anyone who makes a 3-volt battery here. So we'll check it out in just a second, but you'll see a keypad here and it's unlocked. Right now, we're on the lock keypad. You'll see an arrow pointing up on that lock keypad. So we need to be here, right? Well, it's gonna be hard to twist it with your actual fingers. So what you're gonna wanna do is use the placement where the key is supposed to go, but not too high, all right? Because if it's too high, it will not be able to twist, which you're gonna use this for as an extra tool to twist this open. So gracefully, we'll try it. We'll push up on this key. All right, you see how I just moved, it twisted? Now you see that the arrow is on the unlock section and not on the lock section anymore, which means we can take the key out, all right, and we can take this right off, which exposes our battery. Again, let me twist this the right way for you guys so you can see it. It is a 3-volt CR2032. All right, so you can see it as a Panasonic CV, or CR, shall I say, 3V, but that's an easy battery to get a hold of. So it's pretty simple, and then you would do the inverse of the operations to put it back. I'll put this cover back over, and the arrow needs to be in the unlock position, as you can see there. That's where we left it. We're gonna use the key to do the inverse operation. So we put the key back, and we're going to twist it this way. Now it's where it's locked. All right, and you see that battery is locked in. All right, and then we'll put the key back where it belongs, inside, right all the way up top with this one, because you want to fit in here. You only wanted it down here when you were unlocking it, but when you put it back in, you want it at the very top. And then once your key is snapped in, take your cover, slide it right over, and bam, that is it, guys. That's how you change your key fob for any Alfa Romeo Stelvio or Giulia. So hopefully this video was super helpful for you guys. If it was, definitely give it a big thumbs up, because once you do that, you'll get it up in the rankings and more people will be able to see how to change the battery in a key fob for any of the Alfa Romeo models, whether it's the Giulias behind me, whether it's the Stelvio, or whether it's the Quadrifoglio models. They all have this same key fob, at least for now. We'll see what happens in the next coming years. And I do other tutorials, but again, I was gonna try to hold some of them off till 2021, but another big one is the tailgate for the Stelvio. So make sure you check that out to how to program the height for that. But we'll get more into these how-to videos. Just let me know if there's any specific ones you guys want to see, and we'll do it for you guys. Now, with that said, if you enjoyed the video today, make sure you guys like and subscribe. You gotta click that notification bell, because once you do that, you'll get these videos straight to your inbox. You won't miss one. You can always support the channel by checking the links down below. We have a one-time lead donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to throw a couple dollars to the channel. And you can check out the Ron's Rides Patreon. You can check out the Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, see everything I'm posting there. And you can check out the Ron's Rides merch, get t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides. So with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll see you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.